When I think about the men and women who deserve our greatest respect, I immediately think of our elderly moms, dads, aunts, and uncles who live in nursing homes. I can't imagine a more important group to protect, a group that is more deserving of basic human dignity. Unfortunately, despite millions of government dollars that flow to California for-profit nursing homes, residents continue to be victims of neglect and abuse. Something has to be done about it. The problem is a systemic one, and the roadblocks to making progress against nursing home corporations that routinely provide substandard care are great. Nursing homes play games with ownership, create shell corporations to protect assets, and siphon money from homes, handcuffing the caregivers and staff from providing the level of care that residents truly need. The United States Inspector General, who is charged with regulatory enforcement, acknowledged this fact in his 2010 Senate testimony. We see repeatedly the same symptoms in nursing home patients who have been neglected and abused: weight loss, dehydration, pressure sores, broken bones, repeated falls, medication errors, and sexual and physical abuse. These are not signs of growing old. That is what the nursing homes want you to believe. The reality is these are signs and symptoms, oftentimes, of being neglected. As staffing levels decrease, the amount of care that can be provided to your loved one decreases as well. Frail, elderly patients often need help with a variety of activities of their daily life, like going to the bathroom, repositioning themselves, or even eating and drinking. When staffing levels decrease, so does the help with those needs. But staffing decreases relate directly to corporate profit. As staffing levels go down, profits go up. A nursing home driven by money will oftentimes put profit over patient care. This just isn't a theory. The relationship between staffing levels and quality of care at a facility has been the subject of empirical research in the medical field. It is not just a theory, it is a reality. And while there is government regulation in this field, in California by the Department of Public Health, that oversight is limited in nature, and often the penalties for violation amount to a slap on the wrist and a cost of doing business to a large, wealthy nursing home corporation. Another sad fact of the limited state oversight is that the systemic corporate neglect that leads to elderly patients consistently developing the constellations of injuries we spoke about earlier is rarely prosecuted. That is where we step in. The Elder Abuse and Dependent Adult Protection Act was written to empower families to seek civil prosecutors so that there would be an avenue to redress the harm done to your loved one and a chance to restore some degree of their dignity. Give us a call if you need help.